Introducing the ETIG 200 DP. This DC TIG welder has a pulse function as well as a MMA function. This machine has hot start, arc force, built-in anti-stick, as well as AVR. First, turn the welder on using the switch at the back of the machine. This is the channel button. This cycles through the memory channels like switching presets for different welding tasks. The number display beside this shows your current channel, CH1, CH2, and more. This is the Save and Load button. The Save button saves your current welding parameters to memory, and the Load button loads a previously saved setting. This is the Latch button. This enables 2T or 4T operation. 2T allows the user to hold the trigger to weld, release to stop, and 4T is for press and release to start arc. Press again to stop. This is the Pulse button. This turns the pulse function on or off, allowing DC or AC welding. This button allows you to switch between push and lift TIG welding. This is your main mode selector button. Each press switches between the two welding modes, TIG welding and MMA stick welding. This is your multifunction adjustment dial. It adjusts values and moves between waveform settings. Press to select, rotate to change. The diagram around the dial shows each stage of a pulse TIG cycle, such as pre-gas, upslope, peak, base, duty, downslope, crater, and post-gas. Use the dial to scroll between these and fine-tune each phase. Below the waveform diagram, you'll see hot start and arc force. This display shows your values for amps, pulse frequency, duty cycle, and more, each adjusted by the dial. To the right, you'll find indicator LEDs for amperage, duty cycle, and pulse frequency. These three lights are the standby or power status light, thermal protection light, and the operational active welding light. At the back of the machine is a nozzle for the gas input hose. Connect the earth clamp to the positive socket. Then connect the torch to the negative socket on the machine. Connect the remote cable to the machine. Connect the gas hose to the nozzle. The torches that come with these machines have a built-in adjustment dial on the torch for remote adjustments while welding or while the user is away from the machine.